Are your kids spending so much time on their TV, phone, tab, etc.? So in this video, I will give you top tips that I follow for my daughter to reduce her screen time. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Leela. In this channel, I will be showing you a lot of parenting tips and activities for the kids to engage them in a healthy way. So before I get into the tips to reduce the screen addiction, we all have to remember one thing. We are in the digital era. So banning the screen time is not a wise idea. So what we need to do is we have to minimize the negative impact of the screen time on our kids. We have to encourage our kids to use the screen time wisely to exploit the advantages of it. Why we need to minimize the screen time for kids? Mainly because the extended screen time makes the kids stressful and less focused. That's not what we want, right? So without further delay, let's get into the tips. The first tip I have is be a model. This is the most overlooked tip. See, we all know that our children try to imitate us as their parents and the other people in the family, like their grandmothers, grandfathers. See, if you start indulging yourself in reading a book, then they will also start picking a book. Of course, maybe not on the day one, but yeah, it happens over the time. Same way, if you're watching TV, then they also do the same thing. So if you want to reduce the screen time of your kids, then you have to start reduce your screen time also. Because if you indulge yourself in watching screens and then they don't find a valid reason why they should get rid of their screen time. The next tip I have here is about encouraging the other activities. See, we need to figure out what is the main reason for them to spend their time in the screens. See, it will be 90%, most of the time it will be boredom. They don't know what else to do. So you have to provide the necessary resources for them to spend their time. Like you can think about providing music instruments or sports equipment or books or coloring sheets or DIY activities or any craft stuff, all this. So there are n number of activities ideas that you can think through and then provide them with the various options. Invest in library subscriptions or invest in some very nice good board games where you can also spend the quality time with your kids while playing the board games along with them. It is a very wonderful resource for the whole family time, so consider investing in such kind of games. The next tip I have is adding a tech-free time to your family schedule. Tech-free time is nothing but digital detox. Yes, at all ages, irrespective of what age is your kid, they should know that you have certain rules for keeping the screens away. They should know that there is a limit to the screens. Maybe if your kid it is too small, you can start with the bedtime. At the bedtime, no screens are allowed into the bedroom or on the bed. Maybe you can keep aside on a bed table, side bed table, and slowly you can start extending it to the weekends. So the whole weekend or particular hours in the weekend, all the screens will be away. See, this applies to whole family. So it's a family rule. So try to incorporate this. I'm sure you will see wonders. The next tip I have here for you is using storytelling tips. So start making a habit of playing podcasts or audio stories or storybooks, anything in the audio format without the video for your kids. So you will find a lot of podcasts now, Google Podcasts, Spotify. There are so many free podcasts that you can listen to for the stories and for interesting science information for the kids if you have older kids in your home. So start looking for them. So I know some podcasts like there is Chandamama Kadalu for the Telugu people. There is Amamma Kada Cheptava. So this is another Telugu podcast. For the English stories, there is Balgata and Story Session and Story Gala. So there are a lot of podcasts. You just download any of the app like Google Podcast or Spotify, search for stories for kids. Maybe you can give appropriate age of your kid also, and you will find any number of the story podcasts. You can play those to your kid, so they will start getting into habit of listening to the stories instead of watching on the TV, the comic cartoon shows. So the main benefit of the podcast is the kids start improving their listening abilities. So they will start focusing on what they are listening rather than how the screen is moving fast. This moving screen stimulates their brain very fast, so they will be reckless. So that's the reason we want to reduce the screen time, right? So start indulging into story tapes like audio stories or podcasts or anything. You can also start with the YouTube stories. Like there are so many story channels in the YouTube, so you can play them, but don't show the screen. So turn the screen the other side and make the kids listening to the story rather than watching the story what is happening on the screen. See, again, I'm telling you, this requires a lot of practice and patience, especially if you're using the second option, like playing in YouTube but not showing the video. If your kid is already used to watch a lot of videos on the YouTube, you really need patience and you really need practice to make them to cut off that screen time and start getting into habit of listening the story rather than watching the story. The next tip I have here for you is setting some family rules and stick to it. See, the most common mistake that we do is we set the rules, but we try to relax the rules whenever our kids request something or please us. Our kids knows how to get the things done from us. So don't relax the rules just because they requested you. Stick to them. Whole family, not only you, the whole family need to stick to it. So set some rules like the TV time, the screen time, maybe not only TV, any screen time is only from 6 to 7 p.m. in the evening. You can set the rules according to the age of the kid. Start with the small rules and then slowly extend them to the bigger ones. Also, remember, if you have really relaxed the rules in your home for the first 6 years, then it makes harder to implement the rules later. So start sticking to the rules that you are setting. The next tip I have here is using the technology wisely. See, there are n number of apps now available on Android and iOS for the screen time controls. So use them wisely. You can use parental control apps, screen time apps in any phone, either it is Android or iOS. See, in iPhone, there is an option called screen time. So set that, use that feature to set a limit on your kid's screen time. So automatically after the time is finished, the screens will be off. So then they can't use it anymore until they enter the password. So make sure you are not sharing the password with them. Also, find some way to monitor and filter through each screen on what is going through, what kind of sites your kids are visiting. Especially if you have older kids, you have to make sure they are not going to unnecessary sites and unnecessary information. So make use of the technology intelligently. And I'm going to give you some apps list in the description box that you may want to check. The next step I have here is treat the screen time as a privilege that kids need to earn. Make some rules like they need to watch screens only after they complete their homework or they are done with their daily chores, all this. In the description box, I leave the links for 2 checklists for the screen time where you can see one checklist with the predefined chores, like I have mentioned, brush their teeth, take bath, they have done coloring activity like this. And another checklist is an empty checklist where you can write your own list. So make sure you're downloading them and then taking a printout and then stick it somewhere close to the TV. So whenever they are going to TV or any screen for that matter, so they have to make sure that they have completed all the checklist items that you mentioned in this sheet. Only then they are entitled to watch the TV. So they are earning it by making sure they have done all the chores that you have asked them to do. Make sure you are checking out the series of links that I will be listing down in the description box. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.